wanted to share some of the body exercises to get some nice result on our face. So why I'm talking about the body exercise, because this is supposed to be face yoga exercise, right? But the reason I talk about the body, important of body exercise and effect on the face is, look at this. The muscle connection all the way from back, I should say from head to toe, it's connected. Why I talk about the importance of posture is because posture is so important to feel good and look good. Okay, all right, so let's try the first one. I want to talk about the strengthening and the flexibility and the posture, how we can do in daily life, not going to gym. You know, you can go to gym, but many of us, sometimes we don't really aware how you're doing, how we're carrying a posture, and by doing simple exercise, you're gonna feel so good. I want you to feel that. Are you ready? So sit or stand comfortably and palms up, close your eyes, breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your nose. Breathe in from your nose, feel that cold air coming through your nose, nostril. And then breathe out from your nose. Feel the warmer air coming out from the nostril. Feel that? Okay, shoulder rotation. Hands on your shoulders. Push on your shoulder blades. Open your chest, open your heart. Okay? And every movement, we're gonna just focus on the breathing. Very important. Breathe in. Elbows together, breathe in and keep elbows together, and feel a nice opening sensation on your tummy, and also imagine that you are squeezing orange or something between your shoulder blades, okay, when you do this. So we're gonna do this together and see how you feel. Breathe in, elbows together, breathe in, and when you can't breathe in anymore, separate elbows and go slow. Slower the better. Ooh, okay, good. Good. And when you push down your shoulder blade, breathe out and imagine you're squeezing orange, okay? Breathe in. And open your chest, open your heart, and squeeze orange between shoulder blades. Woo! Okay, feel it? Do you feel that opening sensation? Okay, we're gonna do another one that also helps too. Another one we're gonna use the or door, whatever you have, okay? So first, you want to stand comfortably next to the door and hands on the wall. Shoulder relaxed, and let's start from whatever you feel comfortable, okay? If you're pretty flexible, you can go pretty good like this. And if you have a tight shoulder and chest is just like this, you can probably go start lower, okay? Find a position, breathe in, and without pushing far away, let your body move forward. Do you feel that there's a difference? You don't want to push it, because when you push, it's just too much. You want to tilt your body forward and release the tension from the shoulders. And imagine you're squeezing orange between your shoulder blades. Whoa, I like it. Feel it. Woo! And then go higher if you want and feel that. Do you feel that good sensation opening your chest and releasing the tension and squeeze orange between shoulder blades? You don't want to push too hard. You just let your body go. All right. So now, if you have a towel, you can bring that. Resistance band, bring that. I have so many. Or you can, if you have a My TheraBand, bring that, because this is really a good one. Or the towel. Let's start with the towel. Towel is okay. It's not the greatest. The reason I'll tell you, because it doesn't have a resistance. It just, you want to keep that tension. And ready? You want to hold this, elbows straight, and then breathe in and keep the tension. You don't want to do this. You want to keep the tension on the towel and then move the towel back of your head if you can. Woo. Feel that? And go front. Keep the tension. And back. Whew, wow. Okay, all right. So you're feeling that you're opening up yourself more. You feel that your tension from the neck is gone. Good, because I want you to feel that and release the tension from that shoulder blade. Okay, so next one I want to show you is posture correction. So you can use whatever you have, okay? And you can use towel, but if you have a Miko band, go for it. This is longer, thicker, that's why I made it, okay? We're gonna wear this, and if towel doesn't do it, so if we have a, let's see, the yarn might work. It's not really do resistance, but you can do that too. So we're gonna wear that. Okay, cross, and then here, tie in front. Okay, ready? All right, and if you can hold this position and then get a towel or something, that helps too. And then same thing, but we're gonna use little wider movement. Go front and all the way back. Okay, all the way back. And you don't need to wear a Miko band too long. You just kind of feel that, because this helps you to keep the posture. And then you're gonna remember that, how you carry your posture. I feel much more open right here. My shoulder blades are much more lower. And then I feel a nice stretch in my shoulder area.